Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to make TikTok account private. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, move to your personal profile by tap on this icon below. I just want to mention that the difference between public and private account is that if you have a private account, only users who accept their follow requests can interact and watch your videos. Whereas if your account was public, then anyone can watch and interact with your videos. So to make TikTok account private, tap on the hamburger icon top right, then choose Setting and Privacy. Now from account, choose Privacy, and simply turn on this option. Now when you go back, you'll see that your account has been changed successfully to private. And when anyone visits your profile, he'll see that your profile is private. And this is it. This is how to make TikTok account private. Thanks for watching. See ya.